Welcome to GCSE Maths Help. Today we're going to be looking at lowest common multiple, highest common factor and product of prime number exam paper questions. This video is a follow-on from our key points video, which I will link in the bio below. If you haven't watched that video, you might find it useful before looking at exam questions. For everyone else, let's get started. So the first question we're going to look at says, sausages come in packs of 6, bread rolls come in packs of 4. Write the least number of packs of sausages and packs of bread rolls that Joshua must buy so that there's a roll for every sausage without any leftovers. So we're looking for when a multiple of 6 matches a multiple of 4, so this is a lowest common multiple question. We're going to write out our 6 times table and our 4 times table and find the smallest common number in the two lists. So let's start with the 6 times table. We've got 1 times 6 is 6, 2 6s are 12, 3 6s are 18, 4 6s are 24, 5 6s are 30. We'll stop there, we can add some more multiples if we need to. So let's do our 4 times table. We've got 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Now 12 is the first number that features in both lists, so this is our lowest common multiple. So the question asks for how many packs of each item need to be bought, so there's a sausage for every bread roll with no leftovers. So we can say that there needs to be 2 packets of sausages and 3 packets of bread rolls. In this type of real life questions, you need to make sure you go back and have a look at the form the answer needs to be in. If we just wrote 12 is the lowest common multiple for our answer, we'd probably get a mark for using the right method, but no marks for the correct answer because 12 isn't the answer that they're looking for. So there needs to be some sort of interpretation to fit a real life scenario to get all the marks of the question. This next question says, write 36 as a product of its prime factors. Give your answer in index form. Now, because the question has stated specifically that we need to write our answer in index form, I would guess that would mean that there's going to be the same prime number popping up a few times. So when we write the list of prime numbers at the end, we can write our answer more simply like we learnt in the key points video. So let's start with 36 at the top of our tray. So we need 2 numbers that times together to make 36. So I'm going to split this into 4 and 9. So they're not prime numbers, so we need to split these down again. So we've got 2 and 2 on this side, and 3 and 3 on this side. So 2 is prime, 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 3 is prime. So we can write our answer as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. But in index form, that is 2 squared times 3 squared. So our last question says find the highest common factor of 48 and 64. So we need to write down the pairs of numbers that times together to make 48 first. So we've got 1 and 48, got 2 and 24, 3 and 16, 4 and 12, and 6 and 8. So I'm going to write these in ascending order so that we can see the list a little bit more clearly. 12, 16, 24 and 48. So let's do the same for 64, which 2 numbers times together to make 64. We've got 1 and 64, 2 and 32, 4 and 16, and then 8 times 8. So we've got 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So if we look down the two lists, you can see that 16 is the highest common factor of 48 and 64. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to have a little recap on the key points on this topic, click the link in the bio below. Don't forget to subscribe to GCSE Maths Help with the subscribe button below, or you can check out my Instagram page at GCSE Maths Help for more videos and tips. Thanks for watching.